This is a revolution in AI 3D modeling, literally, and I'm not sure where to start or how to start. Instead, let me show you a few models and explain what's going on. This is next-gen ultra-resolution 3D shape generation. I wanted to make a comparison video for this, but I wasn't able to find a counterpart. As I am making this video, the AI model was released just yesterday and I wanted to keep you updated. Introducing Spark 3D. I could talk a lot about its scientific papers and documentations, but the important thing is what it delivers to us in the end. So that's why I'll show you the generated models without taking up your time. Humanoid robot model. The level of detail is insane. These kinds of mechanical models are harder for any AI to make, but I believe this is the best we can get for now. Dragon head. Just look at this. The displacement effect on the surface of the model is insane. The good thing about this AI model is that it generates models with up to 3 million polygons, which is unbelievable. A higher polygon count gives it the ability to replicate surfaces even better. Honestly, I haven't seen anything like this before. This is not only something next level, but also next generation. A quick retopology and baking would make this a game-ready model, good model. Look at the details. If you need shoe models, you should give this AI a try. After a quick retopology, this model can be production ready. 2 items for a potential fantasy game. I'm not going to talk about the details, just watch. Holy smokes. I've tried many AI models, but again, I haven't seen anything like this before. And the second model, looking really cool. A head model from Hanyuan 3D's gallery. It even replicated the displacement effect on the hair. Although it's not present on the backside of the head, still, very impressive work. Some grip models for a gun. They almost look like textured models because the level of detail is unbelievable. I can definitely adjust them a bit and bake all the details onto a low poly version easily. Another example. Very detailed and clear. See how consistent it is. One more model from Hanyuan 3D's gallery. Without AI, I would need to spend hours sculpting this. But now I can either do manual or automatic retopology, bake and texture it. It literally modeled the bark of the tree, which is excellent for baking. 3 Stonegate models. They don't even need retopology. If I decimate them, unwrap and texture, they are complete game-ready assets. It can be done in Substance Painter quickly, just from a single image. No need to sculpt anything. Maybe you can add some details by sculpting, but it's optional. And finally, a hat model. It requires some manual retouching, but not bad. The good thing about this AI is that it gives you 2 models at the same time, with slightly different generation settings. So you can choose one. Right now, the only downside of this AI is the lack of multi-view support, but I believe it can be implemented in the future. I'll leave all the links in the description. Go ahead and test it out. Meanwhile, you can like and subscribe for more content about 3D modeling and AI. I'm following and frequently uploading related content. Thanks in advance. It's recommended to use PNG images with a transparent background, or at least a distinguishable background like a solid color. The developers say it might become open source, but they are waiting for some kind of approval. You can check their official website and see more comparisons and info. During generation, there might be delays due to high demand, so please be patient. Feel free to share your experiences and ideas in the comments. This AI appeared unexpectedly, and I had to change my schedule a bit. As you know, I'm working on a complete asset creation tutorial in Blender. Until then, take care. Thanks for watching, stay in touch.